إيه أنا الصورة دي جاب بدهدي الأثقي إياه خات إي بنية هذا خات إي بنينا خات إي بنية إنه إياه بلغانك أشوف خواي خات إي بنية أو خات إشين بانا أتا خات إي بنينا إي نانانته. It's also for a specific reason. For what reason? And it's like a condition, solving a problem, that kind of idea. So sickness or something. Okay. So today we have two statements. Mr. Long chiditso neilpons ebony New York go there. Okay, so we got a new one chide down here, chide right there. And then neilpons, we got boss down here towards the bottom. Neilpons, and then we're going to have two other ones. And then we have the next statement, Mr. Long betanes gray a benina hospital godeya. Okay. So let's tackle the first one. So this statement has to do with the hatish beniye. Okay. Mr. Long did so nelpans a beniye New York godeya. So Mr. Long hatish beniye New York godeya. And the answer, Mr. Long should it so neilpans ebony New York godeya. Okay. And then down here, down the the last row, I mean the first column, but last row, Heish, okay, Heish and Hati is there. So one of the question might be Heish should it so neilpans ebony New York New York godeya. And the answer would be Mr. Long should it so neilpans ebony New York godeya. And then we can use the word hati, which is the same word as hati beniye, but here we just say hati. We can say things like hati, Mr. Long hati neilpans beniye New York godeya, and you could say Mr. Long chiditso neilpans beniye New York godeya. Okay. Now the next one, Mr. Long betanes gray. Betanes gray means sick. He is sick. A benina, for that reason, that specific reason, hospital godeya. So the question might be, Mr. Long hatish benina hospital godeya. Betanes gray benina hospital godeya. It's more specific why, what that specific reason is. And then we can ask questions like, Heish betanes gray benina hospital godeya. You can say Mr. Long betanes gray benina hospital godeya. Hati, so hati with this question, with this statement might be, we don't really have a hati, okay, but hago, okay, hago, hade, but we say hago because the go is right there already. So Mr. Long betanes gray benina hago deya. Mr. Long betanes even hospital godeya. Okay, that's how you would do hago. Okay, so hago, hade, hade, it all belongs with the. Well, all these call it enclitics, yeah. I call them connectors, but they're also called enclitics. Anyway, that's what we'll do today, and we'll review some other things with this yellow box here. Kushi, see you in class.